Hey everyone, it's Kyle at Vacs. In today's video we're going to be going over changing a brush roll and belt in a GV powerhead. Alright, let's get started with this video. The only tool you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. On the underside of your powerhead there's going to be 8 screws. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Once those screws are removed, go ahead and flip your powerhead over and remove the top portion like so. If you want a little extra room to work with, you can unplug this connector. Just set this top portion to the side. Now you're exposed with the brush roll and the belt. To remove it, just firmly grab the brush roll and pull upwards. Remove it and then slide the belt off the motor shaft like so. Once you got your worn out brush roll and belt removed, go ahead and grab your new replacements and let's get them installed. Insert the belt over the motor shaft like so. Take your brush roll and just align it up and pop it in. You may have to rotate the brush roll a few times so the belt aligns itself properly. Once that is all done, take that top portion and make sure you connect that connector you unplugged, if you unplugged it. Now simply attach the top portion back on, flip it over, and put your 8 screws back in. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. If you need parts or supplies for your GV powerhead, you know what to do. Send us an email at service@greatvacs.com. Tell us what parts you need and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks for watching.